Hey everybody, it's Deb with Deb's RV Services and welcome to today's video. This is a special announcement video. I did a poll to see what your biggest pain point was about purchasing an RV, and you told me it was the fear of buying a lemon. So what I am doing starting today for the next 72 hours is I am running a huge sale on my DIY inspection workbook. You can purchase my workbook by clicking the link in the description and you can get it for over half off. I'm going to be starting a series on how to not buy a lemon, and I'm going to give you all of the details that I can on what to search for when you're looking for an RV. A lot of you just don't know what to look for. I recently went to an RV show, so I have a lot of footage to share with you on that, things that I liked, things that I didn't like, and that's all going to be included in my video series. So stay tuned and stick around for the series. But in the meantime, take advantage of the 72-hour sale. In this workbook, you're going to find over 80 pages of lots of information on things to look for, all the red flags, like this is not what you want, this is bad. You can simply take this workbook and you can download it onto your phone as a PDF. You walk around the RV and you look at all the things that I tell you to look for. You go around and do the inspection yourself. Now, if you're still unsure, you can hire an inspector. And a certified inspector is always recommended above anything else. But this is going to give you an opportunity to look at things yourself. There are a lot of people out there that are maybe in areas where they can't get an inspector. They don't want to pay for an inspector. This is a way for you to do it on your own. And for today's special flash price deal, oh my God, you cannot even, this is worth, listen, I find one thing, one hole in the sealant, and you're talking about water intrusion and a new roof. It's thousands. And I understand what it's like to want to get something, but you're so afraid to do it because it's just like, what if I buy the wrong thing? There's so many cases out there where people are buying things and they're trash. I understand that affordability is a true concern. So that's one of the reasons that I decided to just cut this price in half, more than half, and offer it to you for this time period. Take advantage of this now. It's fall. You can get out there and you can find yourself a really good deal on an RV, a travel trailer, whatever you're looking for. And then stay tuned for what's coming out on Sunday, because it's going to be the start of my series of how to not buy a lemon. I'll see you guys on the next video.